Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to access Terabox offline, open without internet connection. So log in with your account on Terabox, okay? And make sure that you logged in with your account. And as you see, you're going to see an ad, unfortunately. So just log in with your account, and then basically, if you want to, see or basically watch a photo or something like that, you could see right here, this is the photo and everything, and you can upload this photo to your library if you want to actually download it. But if you want to stream it offline, you're gonna see right here, basically, let me go back and go to my files, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hold right here, right, and I'm gonna click offline. And offline means that I'm gonna be able to access that file without needing to actually connect with a Wi-Fi or internet. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.